Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Italian nougat. First, gather your essential ingredients like honey, sugar, egg whites, and your favorite nuts. You'll also need a reliable candy thermometer and a stand mixer, which makes the process much easier. Don't forget to line your baking pan with parchment paper or edible rice paper, ensuring your nougat won't stick. This preparation is key for a smooth nougat-making experience. Next, we focus on the syrups, which are crucial for nougat's unique texture. Gently heat your honey to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures it's pliable but not too sticky. In a separate pot, cook your sugar and water until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a firm, stable base. Carefully combine these two hot syrups, stirring gently to prevent any crystallization. Precision here is vital for achieving that perfect nougat consistency. Now for the magic. In your stand mixer, whip the egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This creates the airy base for your nougat. With the mixer running on low, slowly and carefully drizzle the hot syrup mixture into the whipped egg whites. Continue mixing until the nougat becomes thick and pulls away from the sides of the bowl. Finally, gently fold in your toasted nuts and any other flavorings you desire, like vanilla or citrus zest. Once your nougat is thoroughly mixed, quickly press it firmly and evenly into your prepared pan. You can use a lightly oiled spatula or your hands to ensure it's compact. Now, the hardest part, patience. Allow the nougat to cool completely, ideally for several hours or even overnight, before attempting to cut it. This ensures it sets properly and holds its shape. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.